This is one of the houses. I don't remember which one. But it's fairly old. Bahama Trail we were just on. Well, let's go in. Wow, it's bright out here. How old is this?
1910. That's what this says anyway.
I wonder if these sheets are from 1910.
He was born in 1870.
I guess they didn't believe in high
He
walls.
got the keys in 1890 at the age of 20. He became a citizen in 1891. In 1894 you married.
Let's go.
Is this the outhouse or the kitchen? Kitchen.
What's it called?
Take a picture underwater.
Okay, wait, Mom. It was built 1904.
Hey, lizard
Okay.
and conch shells. So I'm guessing we're in Adderley Town. Adderley Town.
Sole survivor. Ah! All of the homes are gone except for this.
A true pioneer.
Why?
Seeking sponges. Making charcoal. 1890. George Adderley left the Bahamas to settle in the Keys. He raised goats and pigs. So there's the Adderley house. I'm not sure what road we're on.
Looks like a service road to me.
But the rest of my group is on it, so I'm on it. See them down there? They have the map though. They're my guide. They just don't know it. Speaking of spiders, there's a lizard. Oh, there's another spider. See that? And another spider. And another spider. See those? And the lizard. Oh, there's the lizard on the branch. And they've got a series of webs here. There's not just one. Mangroves are island builders, but if you see out there, it's the ocean. Gulf of Mexico, I'm guessing.
Right there.
There's another mangrove swamp on that side. Oh, now you can see it. So that's the wide open Gulf. And water flowing in and out of the mangroves. The sign says we're on Adderley Lane. But now we're going down, down, down to the benches.
Wow.
Watch out!
Liam, stay here, please.
All done? All done?
Liam, come here.
Taking
please.
pictures?
I'm
Okay.
done. Unless we're doing a picture here.
Nah.
Careful. Doesn't seem very solid.
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
I know. Oh,
Hey, is that a coconut?
looks like it.
Coconut.
Private
careful,
property, no
Liam.
trespassing.
Can that
Oh, there's another island. Oh, with kayaks
underwater?
all around it. See that?
The one in his hand that he's talking to right now can. He wants to know if that can go underwater.
Yep, they both can.
Can I see?
GoPro, GoPro, GoPro!
Can I see if it can?
Still on Adderley Lane. A golf cart went by earlier and I see a truck over there, so it is a road. Be careful. Adderley Lane. And I guess we could have come down Crane Road. So someone was pointing out this Spanish moss. See that? It looks like somebody laid it there, huh? Ooh, a breeze. Ah, that feels good. So the Joe Wood Trail, the Fish Pedicure, that's where we're headed. Museum is where we started, the point. Of course, that's the end of the land. Sunset Boardwalk. I guess we'll come back this way? I hope. It looks like we're reaching something here, like a boat with graffiti on it. Who would do that? Dios con nosotros. Huh. The historic Crane House. Hey. I don't know if that's a banyan tree or not. But there is a building here. Mary and Francis Crane chose Wall Snyder, renowned Miami architect. Construction began in 1954. You see where we're at, right there, right? And there's the point, and there's the snorkel, and there's the Fish Pedicure, and the Sunset Boardwalk. Well, we'll have to make a detour for that, because it's a one-way journey. Looks like a Frank Lloyd Wright, doesn't it? I mean, to me. And it kind of smells like eggs. I wonder if those little lights are original.
Hurry up!
Do we go in?
No, not you.
Look at this. Some on the ground. And in the bushes. Cardenas is the name of this boat. Well, that's Cuba. Okay.
Baby, do you have to use the bathroom?
Yeah, they got restrooms here. And a giant
Sit in
chair.
This giant chair? Go sit in the giant chair. Look at this giant chair, Liam. Look at the giant chair. Right here. What?
I'm just Christine. Why are you using single purpose?
So I guess this is the Fish Pedicure spot. And that's, I don't know if that's more marathon or the next key up.
Remy, why was there a giant box for extra?
I don't know how big was it.
Lance, is that Auntie Christina in the black
Yep,
clothes?
yep, that's Christina
Christina's right here.
in the black clothes. So if you want to go swimming, there's a ladder.
Yeah.
Are there enough fish to go around?
Oh yeah.
Why are we letting them eat our feet?
Oh, all the big ones are coming from my toes.
They're going to eat the boogers off your feet.
Mom, where should I go?
So the Fish Pedicure was over that way. The house is right there. That's the tree with the pink flowers on it. And this is the point.
Right here.
And I know that because it says the point. So this is the end of, well, one end. Anyway. Oh, this is the kayak place. So on the website it said a 2-person kayak was $120 for all day. I don't know if that's accurate. I know that is accurate. So this is the near shore marine life. Near shore, oh, well. So I guess it's just to look at marine life. Is an iguana marine life? Oh, I do see fish. Straight down. Of course, the Marathon Airport is over that way. Picnic tables. I think this is a dead end.
You think this is a dead end?
Yeah, it's all roped off. I mean, they've got a building here, but they don't want you up there. We came from that direction. We're going to go back that direction, but first we're going to walk on the Sunset Boardwalk, which is a one-way ticket. Because I looked for the other end and it wasn't there. So whoa. Oh, mangroves. A mangrove food chain. Whoop. I think we're reaching the end of this.
That is a dead end.
Right. Shoreline Nurseries. Thank you, Jay. So we're going to turn around and go back now.